So we need the Apache server for this lecture. Also we need MySQL. So both I am starting. Okay, for lecture 14. What is this? 11. 11 or 10? 11. Okay, so in this 11th lecture, same database connection programs, but for a special type of work. Normally you connect to the database, store integers, characters, okay, text fields and uh, numbers. But now image, how to store the images, how to retrieve the images, how to store the document file, any word file. So those things we will see in this lecture with some of the advanced techniques. So here see, for example, there is a picture. Okay, so picture, if you click it, you should display some message. So such type of program is this one. So in your computer you have this type of program. Okay, so if you what is this one? Image, source, name. Okay, so let us say like a link is here. See, you have a link here. So if you click this, you should show the message like you click the circle, you click the square, like this. Okay, so such type of program we will exercise now. Apart from this one, important task is like this one. So the question I discussed to you, this is the, where is that? This one. Suppose you have this type of page where you are going to upload the file. Okay, what you are doing here, you are going to upload the file. So until now in the forms you have used only action, attribute and method. Only these two things you have used. But when you are working with PDF file, when you are working with image, when you are working with what do you call, a Word file or a video file, you have to use this attribute encryption type. And you have to write here multi-part form data. So whenever you upload a file, this attribute should be there. Okay, this one should be there. And now this program is doing what? It is simply creating like this one, only this one. If you click this choose file, the dialog will open. You select the file and upload it. So when you click upload, see which program you are calling. You are calling this program, upload.php. So here you are putting some constraint, the maximum file size. Okay, 100 MB, 100 megabytes or something like that. So when you click this button, this program is invoked, upload.php. So what is there in this upload.php? So see what I told you just now, it is explained here. This is the attribute to specify. Yani you are going to do the encryption of the data and send it to the server. So your data is encrypted and forwarded. URL encoded here. Okay. So if you are sending any special characters in the URL, that also are converted to special hexadecimal values. Right. So these are the attributes that what we are using is explained. See why we use this one, application /xww form URL encoded. Yani before you send, better to encode the data and send it. So here multi-part form data. Here the characters are not encoded. So why we use this one? When you are uploading the file. What type of file? A PDF. So in the websites you will see upload your CV. So they use this one. This attribute encryption type is equal to, these are the values. Yani in this place you write maybe this one, you write maybe this one, or you may write this one. So until now you have written this one, text or plain. Okay, now for this lecture you are going to write this one as a value here. Okay, so these are the characters that we are using. So now this is the task. See, when you click this choose file, you will be asked like this to select which file you want to upload. So select any file, then you click the upload button. So when you click the upload button, the file should save in the folder. So now to receive the files, these are the variables, the PHP variables available. $files. So name of the temporary copy of the file is stored on the server. Yani, what is a file name? Suppose you have this file like paper review. This file name is stored on the server. You want the name of the file to be uploaded. So you can use this syntax. Name. You want to know what is the size of the file. You should use this attribute. Okay, and you want which type of file you uploaded. It is PDF, GIF, Word file, or any other video file. So type. And in program, if you face any error, how you can get the result of that, you can use this attribute. So any of these you can use in your program. Okay, so I will show you the demo also now. Now see, this is the example syntax. So if you are uploading the file, okay, so it will be matched here, and the cases are checked here. See, if you get any error, what is the error? Why you got the error? Maybe you uploaded a big file. Yani for this program the limit is 2 megabytes. You are fixing this one. In the websites you will see all these things. So if you upload your picture, they say that it should be only 200 megabytes or 200 kilobytes. Like this they will put the condition. Okay, so like that you can put the condition here and check. So if you have an error in your program, you may display this message: file is exceeded the limit. Yani your size of the file is very big, please upload smaller file. Okay, so like that, matching one condition, matching two condition. Huh? You didn't mention? Here in the where you have this one, like this you can mention. Here you have to write. Yeah, you have to mention here the size. So if you try to upload more than this size, then you may get any of these errors. So that time use this attribute and get from the server. So server will send you the message, what is the reason why the file is not uploaded. So that message will be there here. So you check that one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, which one is that? Yani the server will send this type of message. Output will be there in your browser, but you have to check which one is that and display. Okay, in the HTML form you have to use this attribute max file size, and you put the constraint, what is your limit. max file size, maybe like this. You can define your limit there. Okay, so that is one type of thing. And here see, if you try to upload this one, like see here, where is that, this one. When you click this one and upload, the file is saved to the folder or not. So you can have either boolean value like true or false. So this method is uploaded file is used. So here the file name. So once the operation is successful, it will return true. Okay. So sometimes you may not get a message. Sometimes the hackers will ask you, please upload your document, please upload your CV, and then they don't show you any message that whether the file is uploaded or not uploaded, that one. So to know the status of the operation, you can use this method. Okay, so this will tell you either true or false. And also here another method, move uploaded file. Yani from one location you are sending it to the destination. You are moving like cut and paste. You are doing in Windows cut and paste. Like that, this method is useful. Move. Yani from one location your file is deleted and it is moved to the another location. Okay, so like this, these methods are useful when you do the operations of uploading the file. Like see, this is the example. See the target folder. Here you have two files. One is your temporary file, another is a user file name. So finally, this is the, for example, you are going to upload in this place on the server. So you are mentioning here, move the uploaded file. What is the temporary file? What is the destination file? Okay, so we will see this. I will show you the demo when you can understand that one. Then I will continue with this one. Okay, so here I started the server and database. So let us go to the open the PHP server. So localhost. Okay, we used to use this one, no? 80. My port number is 8080. Okay, so this is the home page. So I want to see the database. You will click here, PHP my admin. Your database will open. Okay, so this is the database. Okay, let it come. I will show you the programs. So I have exercised. I will give you those programs. You can practice those programs. So in this lecture 11, first one is I put like this. I designed like this. Can you see here the form? I am using this one, encryption type. Okay, what is this form contains? the course code, what is your course name, what is your major, what is your semester number, and you are uploading the file. Okay, so this one, let me see whether it is okay. So this is the one. So I am using this database. I created this database. So here, what is this one? See this courses table. In the courses table, can you see I tried this one? These are the database columns. Okay, what are they? Which I show you now. This one, course code. This one, course code. Next is what is the name of the course. This one. Then major you have here like IT. This one. Then semester, what is your semester? This one, 23 SP. Then this is the file. Now the data type, see here I used blob, description or structure. See this. See, this one is a text, this one is a text, all are text, but last one, see, this is blob. You have to use this one. Why? You are uploading the file, PDF, image, Word file, Excel file, PowerPoint file, any such type of files you are uploading. When you create a table, you have to use this is the data type, not number, not text, not date. It is blob, binary long object, BLOB, blob. So first you need to create a table, this one, like this. Then you write the program. So this program you have to write. This is the form, small form, this one. So I will run this form, okay, and show you. Localhost, lecture number 11, advanced tech, then index.php, this one. Okay, see, this is the form. Don't focus on this one, you focus on this one now. Just make a comment for you, this one. Okay, like this. This also, if you don't want. Okay, so this is the form you are going to design. So you type here what is the course code. For example, this one, principles of information system, or I will give short name another, ITDR 2106, databases, major IT or software major, semester ID 23 spring. Now you select the file, which file you want to upload. Okay, for example, I have any file, so I will select this file. Okay, now see, this file name is this and extension is this one, type of the file. So when I click this one, it should save to the database. It is saved actually. This is retrieving the data. See, now go to the database. Where is that? This one. I want to see the data. Now can you see here? This is the one which I uploaded. this is the PDF name, size, this one, size of your file, how many bytes. Okay, how many bytes is that file? Where is that? 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 So, something, I think this one only. Okay, so the size that it is, this one, and then what type of file it is a PDF file, and data contains what? It's a binary long object. Okay, so this is the way how you can save the data. Now coming to the code, let us explain. See here, this is the form design. Okay, this one, previously what you have seen, this is the design, this is the code for that one. But when you click this submit button, what is the action? You are going to stay in that same page only, but you are going to post the data. Go up now. What is the script you have? So in the script, what I am checking first, I am getting the connection to the database. So this is my port number. This is the name of my database. This one, XYZ. Okay, default username is root, password is blank. Now I am checking the action here. Did I press the submit button? Yani this one, if I click this button, then what you are going to do, get the data what you type there and save it into these variables. What is your course code? What is your title? What is your major? All these fields are stored in these variables. What is the name of the file? Type of the file? And see here, file get contents. So you will get the data in the form of bytes, and it will store here. Okay, why that one is coming is because I have done this one. I just want to delete this. Okay, then after that, I told you in the first slides, use this attribute to get the name of the file, temporary file which is stored in the server, and also the file name which you are uploading. Now this is the location. See, in this place I am going to upload D: course outlines. So in my computer, D, there is a course outlines. I have to create this folder. Yani you have to create this folder. So here, this is the one I uploaded. I uploaded this one now. Okay, this file only I uploaded. PDF file. Okay, like that Word file, picture, you can upload it. Okay, so this is the commands which I exercise now. Is uploaded. Then what is that? These things. Temporary name. You want to get the name. You want to get the size. So that is there here. See, temporary name. So all these PHP attributes you have used here, and also move the file from this location to this location, and you display the message, this one, uploaded successfully. Now this is the lecture 10 operations. What I am doing here, I am inserting the data. Okay, how many columns I am passing here? See here, first one is this First question mark, course code, this one. Okay, next question mark is title. Next question mark is major. Okay, next question mark like idea of the semester. Next question mark, what is the data you are passing? This one, blob. Okay, then type of the file. What is the type of the file? PDF or Word file, like that. Next one, what is the file name? The file name is this one. Okay, so these are the things that you are going to send it in your query. That's why I write here insert into courses. What is the courses? This is the table name, this is the table name, and these are the columns, right? So you are binding the values. So in the first place, what? This one. Second place, third, right, blah 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 blah, seventh place. Then execute the query. This query you are executing. That's it. So it will check. If it is successful, you get this message. If it is not successful, you will get this message. That's it, this one. This is to send the data to the database. Same example, this one. Another example. Okay. So now display the data. Now you saved it to the database. Where is that? Here. I want to display it and show it in the HTML form. So for that, the code is this one, the one which I commented, this. So here what you display the data means, what is a query? This is the query. Select star from courses. I mean all the fields. Suppose you don't want all the fields, you want any specific columns, you can specify select code comma name. That's it. Or if you want all, you say all star. Then execute the query. The result is stored in this one. Now with the help of a loop, you are displaying the data. Okay, you are going to display the data. Now for example, any other one. Okay, for example, any file which we can upload. For example, this one I want to upload. Okay, then you save. See here the message uploaded. How it is coming? Because of this checking. If any error, you will get this message. Okay, go and check the this folder D colon course outlines. Okay. See this one. My timetable I uploaded. This file. Okay, then go to the database and check whether the value is inserted or not. So refresh here. See. Okay, so this is the one which it has uploaded. Right, until here Okay, so in this one we are going to see that how you can put it in the header. Okay, so now see, this is the focusing point, this one. What you are saying in this program is, I have used this one PNG file, image/PNG. Okay, so this program, uh, let me check whether I have this program. Think this one, image create. Image create. Yeah, I'm creating the image and writing the text there with this text. That is this program. So this is the text. I am creating an image with these sizes. So image create function. This is used to define the image, what you want to display. Okay, width and height. So we are using this one is the width, this one is the height. Where is it? This one, width and height. Okay, this one, image create function. Image create. Okay, I am drawing a string, yani I am typing some message there at this particular location, and color, what color that string should have. You can see here, this is the pink color I am displaying. So for that, this is the syntax. This one, background color is this one. The foreground, FG color means the foreground color is this one. Background is cyan, foreground is pink. RGB format, this one, RGB code. And this one, the string, hello there. Okay, so this is the way how you can display your image and text inside the image using these methods: image create and image color allocate. Right? Then yeah, they have explained to you now. And also you want the text to be in a particular font like Times New Roman, Arial, that also you can do. So what you have to do is you have to download this one, script file. So in the internet you will have these scripts. So I downloaded, for example, here, see, I will show you. There is a folder called fonts. I created this folder and I copied, downloaded these files in the internet. See here. Okay, download. If you type like this, you will be getting like these results. Then which style of font you want, you select which one. Yani for the text, what you are displaying, this text, what type of font you want to set it, that you can set through this fonts. So you can download these fonts and you can show it in your program. So how I will show you. Where is that? This one. That one or this one? I think this one. Now can you see here? Same program, but what I am doing is I am mentioning the font style. This one. I downloaded and put that file in this location, or you mention in some other location like this one. Where is that? Inside this fonts. Let me try this first, whether can it recognize this one or not, I don't know. So D drive, downloads, and here I have that one font file. So first try, let me try, okay. Web font 2. See, it is recognizing. See this one, this is the earlier one, this text. Now the script is like this, yani the style is like this. How it is coming? Because of this one. This is without script, without the style, and now this you are mentioning. Okay, image string and image TTF text. Okay, this one, this method you are using, writing the text to the image using that TTF means true type fonts. So which type of font you are using, that you have to download and give the path. If it is Times New Roman, put it. If it is Arial, download the Arial and give the name here, that one. Okay, so I have shown you that I downloaded this, where is that? This one, script TBL from internet, from this website. Okay, like this you can give any font style. Okay, so this is the one. Now this one, you know this one, redirection. Redirecting your page, that you can mention it using this header function. Suppose why we use this one, for every website, let us say like you have visited your website is now, for example this one, you will type in the address bar, okay, www.facebook.com. okay, you will have like this. Okay, facebook.com. If you type like this, what is the page that is loaded? I think it's not working. It has some issue, I guess. Suppose any website, when you open first, what is the first page it is going to be displayed is index.html. That is a default page. Okay, index dot like this, it will be here. HTML, PHP, JSP, Python, whatever it can be, but it can be index. Suppose this website you launched, some time has been passed, maybe 10 years, 20 years. Now you want to give a new name to your website. But how to tell the customers that you have used, you are going to change the website? Customers know that you want to open Facebook means they will go to facebook.com. But you have now changed the address to, for example, like this. You changed from this name to this name. How we can tell the customers? We cannot go and each every million 100 million customers that this is my new address, go to this place. What the developers, designers will do is they will put it in the header function of your PHP HTML page, the starting page, and they will use here. This is an index file. Your file will be like this. Okay. So here it is an index file only. This will be saved as, for example, index.html. Okay, index.html. But when you visit there, you will go to this website. So I told you what is a default page will be opened when you visit any website. This is the uh, page that is open. So when you try to open index.html, you will log into, you will be moved to this website. So here you are mentioning that address. So now I will try to open this one. Okay, index.html. So what is my, this one, instead of this one I say index.html. It's going or not going? As PHP. I will save this one as, otherwise okay. So in our server, this file, PHP expected colon, what is the mistake? Where this is a culprit. Otherwise just remove that. Okay, now it will redirect. Actually it is, why it is not going there, I am not sure. It will go to that website, it has to go to this website. You will see that why it is not going. Okay, using the caching prevention technique. So in your each page, like this we have, no, this is the page. So here we have to put it in the HTML, this type of code. Okay, so it will expire on this particular date, this particular time. Okay, there is no cache. So those things are the options before you. So default settings of the browser you can change. So these are your settings according to you. You want your page data to be cached, yani saved in the local memory, or you don't want to save it in local memory. For banking applications, we have to do like this: login page or some other pages. It should not get stored, no cache. So you can prevent the caching of your data. Just these 3 lines you have to put it in your HTML or in the PHP code. And this method, file get contents, already we have seen that one. What are there in your file? Yani you are going to scrape it. Okay, you are opening the website. In that website, that page is of how many bytes? That using this method. What is that method? Here we have exercise in the first program. File get contents. So here we have no. This is the data. So this is the one. From this only we are going to display the contents of the file. So this is the content of the file. So you can scrape the data. You can read the data from the URLs. So which website data you want, you just mention here. Google.com, Facebook.com, Instagram.com. Check what is their size of the file, first page. Using this method, file get contents. This one to open the file. Okay, so this is the syntax here. See. So from this folder you are going to get it. You want to read some character, see, only 14 character to 21 character you want to read. So you are mentioning here. From that file I want a particular amount of data. So you are mentioning here 20 to 14. Okay. So reading the entire file contents. Last one, how to send a mail, PHP and email. What protocol you use? Time is finished. I will also finish this small one. Just run this program, show you and give you the code. You can exercise. So email, how to send it? Using this protocol. So you have to use this protocol. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP. Okay, it's an internet protocol. So we have to do the settings and see here actually in your server, Apache server, go to this config. Here you have php.ini, this file. When you click this, it will open this file. Then you search here this one, SMTP protocol. Type Control F, then type SMTP. So here you have that. So this is the protocol. Actually I worked it, but you need a server for that. I will configure and show you in the next class. But this is the place where you need to do the change. Like Gmail, default server I am putting it as this one. And the port number is 465. So this is the setting you have to do, and you have to run the program to send the mail. So mail, yeah, here email page. Suppose you have designed like this the page. What is that? Email page. I will give you this code, then you can see. Okay, this is the page design, this one. Yes, when you submit, it should send, but due to this error, it is not going. So we have to configure this one properly. Okay, that I will do it and tell you. So here we have to use some server there. Okay, that I will show that later. But what is the syntax? How to send the mail is this one. You have to use these things. Okay, mention what is the mail you are going to, which to whom you are going to send the mail. Subject is what, and message is what. So you have a method called mail. That's it. This is the one. In this, the address of the recipient, what is your subject, what is your message, what is your header. Okay, only this method you have to do. And the settings, we have to do some port number settings. So subject is this one, party, and this one is your email. Okay, this is your mail. Sit or wait for some time. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, so I will stop here. We will have the session continued next class. Okay, only this one, I guess. Here, sending mail. Yeah, that is the one. It is explained all here. How to send the mail. I will show this the next class, this one. So until here I will stop.